Hi loves, let's get ready for a date night with me today. And don't forget to subscribe, I do post new videos every Tuesday. First, I apply this Burt's Bees Pomegranate Lip Balm on my lips. Also, right before this, I picked at the pimple near the corner of my mouth. So you're going to see this throughout this entire video, just a disclaimer. Then curling my lashes, as always. Then I line the upper waterline carefully. I started filming this around 5 or 6 p.m. So you're going to see the sun setting and changing throughout the course of this video. Right now is the bright yellow sunset. I don't think it's golden hour yet at this point. Then I shade in the bottom lash line. I realized that this trick helps my eyes appear larger. Just try not to create a solid line because that's going to close your eyes and make them look smaller. Just gently tap on it. Then I fill in my eyebrows. I got my eyebrows microbladed a few months ago. So some of the hair strokes are fading. When I fill in my eyebrows, I just create mini hair strokes just to recreate the natural eyebrow look. I always use this travel size brush set from It Cosmetics and using the Hoola Benefit bronzer to shade in my eyelids. I love products that can be used in multiple ways. And typically I don't use bronzer on my face, so I use the Hoola bronzer on my eyelids and to contour my nose. I then get the little brush from the It Cosmetics brush set to define the bottom lash line a little bit more with the Hoola bronzer. Right now, the sun is slowly setting, getting darker. Then I use the loose eye liquid glue put on my falsies. Didn't show it on the camera because I could do a separate video about that. Next is concealer under my eyebrows, under my eyes, and around my nose. This is my favorite concealer from Maybelline. It also has anti-aging ingredient. Typically I don't use foundation or powder. I try to focus on skincare. Then I use my finger to blend. Blend, blend, blend. I think the sun has finally set. It's really dark outside at this point. I finally conceal that pimple right there. I don't know why I concealed it last. My eyes are really bad, so maybe that's why I didn't notice it. Next, I contour my nose with the Hoola bronzer. Just sort of draw 2 little lines right there and slowly connect it all the way to the top. Don't worry about the 2 lines being visible right now. I'm going to blend it at the end. Then I use the Urban Decay Foxy eyeshadow to set my nose So I usually just shade in the front and the sides, avoiding the two contour lines. I use the same eyeshadow to set under my eyebrows and also under my eyes. Now it's time to get rid of those two weird visible contour lines. Blend it with my finger. I use the City palette from Maybelline and the white shimmery shadow to highlight my nose. I really like the full highlighted nose look, even though I know it can be a little bit much. I also highlight under my eyes and under my eyebrows. For the inner corner of my eyes, I use the little brush and the same shadow. This is my favorite blush from NARS, Orgasm. It's a very pretty shimmery peachy pink color. I love blush, so I always over apply it instead of bronzer or highlighter. Then I line my lips with the MAC lip pencil Soar. This lip liner is very close to my natural lip color. Then I use my finger to blend in any harsh lines. I use the Kat Von D Lolita lip color. This lip color is very dark, so I only dabbed a small amount and blend it with my finger. Then on date night, I apply lip gloss also. I use the NARS Delight lip gloss, just a little bit on the bottom lip, and then blend it with finger again. It seems like my finger is my favorite makeup tool. No need for brushes or anything. That's it for the makeup look. For hair, typically I don't do anything special, just sort of brush it out since my hair is naturally straight. But I'll do a separate tutorial for beach waves. Here's the outfit. The top is from Boohoo. The leather pants are from Shein, and that necklace is from Gogolush. Tonight we went to the Brea Comedy Improv Club. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And until next time, bye!